Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to make some kale soup with potatoes, carrots, and leeks, and the recipe is in the description box below. Alright, I have a soup pot here, a big pot, warming up over about medium heat. I don't need it to be overly hot. And I'm going to add roughly a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Oops, sorry. For the clang there, sorry about that. Okay, I wanted to swirl that oil around, and to it I'm going to add roughly a cup and a half of sliced leeks. These were leeks that I had in the freezer, just waiting for me to use. And you see I do use the green tops as well. I mean, this is a soup, so yes, they might be a little tough, but they are going to soften up with being cooked in the broth and so forth. Give them a stir. I have some other vegetables that I'm going to add to this as well. This is kale soup, so what I did is I took the leaves of the kale and separated the stems from them. However many stems it took, I got 4 cups of chopped up kale leaves, and then I think there were 4 stems here. Just however many you get. I just separated them out and cut them up, and I'm going to saute them, allow them to get a little bit of a head start on the cooking. And then I have a cup and a half of sliced carrots. I'm throwing them in here as well, just to kind of give these things a little bit of a head start on the cooking. I'm turning my stove up just a smidgen here just to get it going again. The leeks were on the cold side, so they cooled it down. I just want these things to saute a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cloves. These are 2 large cloves of garlic that were finely chopped. There, I see that it's starting to warm back up. So, I'm just going to allow these to saute and soften up and get aromatic. And then we'll add some more goodies to this. They're just about where I want them, but I wanted to mention that if you don't have leeks or don't want to use leeks, you can use 1 cup of diced yellow onion instead. No problem. Now I have 1½ cups of cut up white potato. I have a total of 4 cups of cut up kale leaves. That was 2 cups there. This is the other 2 cups. Looks like a lot, and yeah. And I have some white beans here. These are Great Northern beans that I cooked from dry. And it's about 1 3/4 cups here. They're already cooked, but we're putting them in anyway. Or you could use 1 can of Great Northern beans, rinse them and drain them well, and then add them. Now I'm going to add 4 cups or 1 32-ounce box of vegetable broth. And this is going to bring the temperature down real quick. And I'm also going to add, let that finish draining in there, I'm going to also add 2 cups of water. And those vegetables will cook down, especially the greens, so it won't look quite so busy, so full when it's cooked. We will be adding some salt and pepper to taste to this. I'm going to let it cook for a little bit before I add any salt. But anyway, I will go ahead and add a little cracked black pepper to it. And I'm going to turn this on high, bring it to a boil, cover it up, lower the heat so it just simmers, and let it cook until these vegetables are tender, and I will let you know how long this takes. It has been cooking for right at 30 minutes, and these vegetables are very tender and they're just perfectly fine. Actually, it could have been done a little bit prior to this, but I adjusted the seasonings along the way and I wanted it to cook down a little bit because of that. I did add the salt. Remember, I didn't add salt up front because I wanted it to cook a little bit with that vegetable stock in there. I actually added a couple teaspoons of parsley and that's dried parsley, and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. I'm going to call that one an optional one based on your flavor preferences. But anyway, I am looking forward to having some of it for my lunch. Do give this easy soup a try sometime and let me know how it works for you. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Have a great day.